What's up, everybody? Okay, I'm feeling a little under the weather today, but all good, all good. Today we're going to be looking at this Vascularity pack by Zevo and Bitvelda. Okay, so I've been waiting for this for a long time because I use this a lot, and it has always that nice realism to the works, and I use this a lot. And they did a really good one on the 8th. I want to see if this is as good. It seems pretty cool. I don't know. Let's have a look. Anyway, you get absolute control over all of your veins, your vascular, so that's pretty cool. Let's have a look how it works, okay? I've got if you go here and you get the shaping, it's all here. You can do zero the hands, you can zero all the things out. And if you tap VAS in your parameters on all, you get all of your vascular things, right? So that's not part of that, but all of this is. Right. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at what you get here. Let's have a look there. So this is lower by this is arms. This is arms and lower or back. Okay. This here. Let's have a look at what these do. They're looking pretty damn cool. I'm just gonna put them on high just to see what they do. I'm going to take these off just to see here. These are the basic ones that you get, and these are very nice too. See, those are subtle. This is quite nice. I like this. This is awesome. Let's have a look at the mid. The mid. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool as well. Damn, that's looking good. That's looking good. That's all of them. Yeah, okay, so that's the upper arm. That's crazy. That's awesome. This is the back of the arm. Wow. And obviously you can do them as you need, which is pretty damn cool. This is the basic, so if you take those down, this is the basic for the arm. See? It's more subtle version of the other one, which is pretty cool. That's awesome. Now, vast back. Let's have a look at what it does to them back. Damn. That's cool, man. That's cool. Pectorals. Let's take this one away. Where? Oh, pecs, obviously, the pecs. Okay, that's cool. And this is the basic of it for the pecs. You see that? Very subtle. Very cool, man. That is cool. Vast chest. Yes. Always yes. The chest basic. Okay, that's really cool. Wow. Feet and sides. Let's have a look what it does to them feet. Feet sides. Damn. This is awesome. Feet top. Feet HD basic. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That is detail, man. And obviously you don't have to push them up all the way. You don't have to do that. You don't have to push them up all the way. You can have them just like a little bit, so you just get this kind of a nice, nice tone, which is kind of what I prefer, in all honesty. Now, veins controller. Okay, that's everything. Look at that. That is ridiculous. That is really cool, man. Really cool. And this is the basic controller for all the veins. See that? A lot more subtle with the veins. This is awesome. It's alright, it's alright, our little laddie. These are the hands all. Let's see what we get with the hands. This little guy's hand is right over his little belly. But look at that, that is awesome. Damn, okay, well we don't have Vasinol, whatever, but damn, bro. These are the basic for the hands. So you can see here. Wow. Look at the realism. This will start adding to your renders, man. Cranium. See them cranium. We got them cranium all going on. The face. Yes. Subtle. Awesome, man. Awesome. Forehead all. Look at this. This is the pack I've been waiting for. This, for me, is going to be a must-have. This is a must-have. If you're doing like detailed characters and they close, I mean, look at this. This is a must-have. And this is pretty damn awesome. This is amazing. So neck all. Wow, yes, 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 yes. And remember, you can add the basic with the neck. It's totally fine. All the basics. Lower, lower. Let's see. These are the legs, I think. Yes. Damn, son. So, this is an awesome pack, man. This is a fantastic pack. Back, up legs. Look at that. That's awesome. Damn. So, love this thing, man. This is awesome. And remember, you've got that controller that does everything at once. Once. Where was it? Where was it? Oh, god damn. Arms, vast back. Here we go. Boom. So you can just put this up subtly, and bam! Look at that. That's wicked. That's wicked. Let's move on to them girl. Let's move on to them girl now. So see what we got here. So we got the back. I mean, this is awesome. Come on, come on, come on, girl. Let me tell you. That's awesome. You got the front. There we go. Awesome. Wow. You got them arms lower. Look at that. That's ridiculous. You got something. The back of the arm there. And remember, you don't have to go mental. You know, you can just move them up a little bit down. You can start getting these kind of subtle features. Wow. So I think they did a pretty damn good one. Here's the fast back. They did a good job on this. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. That is so sexy. Damn. Damn breast. Damn. Damn. So this pack I have been waiting for. This, for me, almost completes Genesis 9 for me. This pack is fantastic to use on all of your renders. If you're doing close-ups or something, man, you know, humans have these things. They've got them veins. Not if they're a little chubby. If they're a little chubby, they don't have these veins. But if they're not a little chubby, then they got them veins. Nothing against chubby people, just that they don't have them veins. But this is looking great, man. What is this? Oh, this is the feet. Yes, look at that. Look at the realism you can start bringing to the feet. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. God damn. I don't know what else to say, you people, but this works. This look good. Look at that. Wow, man. Wow. I probably wouldn't use like the whole controller thing, maybe very subtly like this, and then go in and do the other ones, you know. Definitely, you've got the basic controller here, which is ridiculous. I'd lean more towards the basic controllers unless you're doing like a massive action shot. You know, if you're doing a crazy action shot where they, you know, doing a crazy action thing, like trying to get out of a hole or, geez, I don't know, man, jumping or fighting with another character or something, then 100%, man. Then 100%, then I would go in and use some crazy ass things. But for me, I like to use these very subtly. You can see here, very subtly, very nice, very nice. Look at that, look at that. Look at that, girl. Look at your face popping out your face, girl. Gotta pop that face right up in. That's awesome. That's wicked, man. Then you got the basics, which I love. See that? Subtle veins. So they did a damn fine job here, people. Okay, and then the neck. The neck is probably the one I use the most. Look at that. That is insane. 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 Look at that. Just little subtle veins. Press it up. Come on. Here we go. Push it. Yeah. Then you've got like the, what is this? What is this? This is the Scheiße. Scheidenfreit legs. Okay, so then you've got the legs for her. And these look good too. These look fantastic, man. Look at this. Just bump them up a little bit. Okay, a little too much on that one. A little bit. You see, just subtle, subtle. Bam. You get like little subtle things. Upper legs. Look at that. Oh, that's good. Damn. And that's it. I mean, that's incredible. Wow. That is incredible stuff, man. They did a good job on this one. They did a very good job on this one. This one I like. Let's do the basic controller up slightly. Let's see what we get here. Slightly, a little more, a little more. Let's see if we can get something to pop. There we go. There we go. This is the basic one, so you get like just tiny little veins. Man, if they could solve the problem for letting them become a little bit blue, holy hell, you know what I'm saying? And then this, just a little bit up. There we go, that's all you need. Subtle, subtle, realism, realism. But they did a fantastic job, man. Well done. Well done on this one. This is for me, this is a must. This is an absolute must. This is incredible. This is just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, well done on this pack. This pack is incredible. Okay? Incredible with my blue Jean 3. This is an incredible pack. Well done on this pack, man. This is something I wouldn't do without in my tool bag. This is an absolute essential for me. I use veins in every single one of mine, and I used to paint them myself in ZBrush until I got their old vascular pack. But this one is just, it's insane. It's beautifully done. Well done on this one. And I'll definitely be using this a ton in my works. Well done. All right, anyway, I hope that helps, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye, guys.